Hello for life, and today I'm going to do a quick video on this wig. Yes, honey, yes. Boop, 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 boop. It is a handmade wig. This is Indian hair, unprocessed Indian hair. So Indian hair is a lot different from what do you want to call that? Virgin hair that you would normally get from like AliExpress and those type of stores. Raw unpressed Indian hair is a lot more thicker and coarser, and it's a lot more expensive. Raw unprocessed hair is a lot more expensive than virgin hair, period, hands down. So for the purpose of this video, this wig is actually going for sale on ilovewigs.com. Okay, this is the Jessica wig, and as you can see, it is very full. It is very, very full from the roots to the tips, honey. Yes. And no tangling, no snags, no kink, all that type of stuff. You don't get that with this type of hair. This hair has not been processed with anything whatsoever. This wig is actually in its natural state. So, what do you get? You get a 4x4 closure. It's actually made on a spandex cap, okay? So there is two combs. There's two combs in the back. Now, this wig is typically for those who have a small to medium average size head. Go figure, right? So, if you're interested in this particular wig or this unit, there's only one of them. So I'm going to tell you guys that now. There's only one. If you are interested, do not wait, because somebody will snatch it up. It's going to go on. It's going to be mentioned on Facebook, Instagram, all the social media platforms. But this wig in particular is going for $199. Now you cannot beat that for unprocessed hair. Unprocessed Indian hair. And if you have never dealt with unprocessed Indian hair, it's not like what you would pretty much do for virgin hair. And maybe I'll do a video on that, on how to take care of unprocessed versus virgin hair. But all you really need to do is just co-wash this. And once you co-wash this wig, the curls, it's like in a natural wavy curly pattern. I've been actually combing through it. So, you know me. I've actually been combing through this with my fingers. And no tangling whatsoever. And like I said before, it's going through $199. So it does have impeccable stitching in it. Impeccable stitching. If you're going to get a wig made from someone, you don't want, see how close those stitches are? Those stitches are very close together, okay? You don't want a wig that's been handmade from somebody and you have a bunch of gaps. The closure itself has been lightly bleached, and it has also been lightly pre-plucked in the front. So it comes pre-plucked in the front, lightly. And to make the curls pop, you would simply just need a water bottle. Get a water bottle. You would just need a water bottle with a little bit of conditioner. Now, the conditioner that I'm using in here is the Dove Instant Repair Conditioner. Now, with curly hair, one, you want to keep it moisturized. You don't want to put a lot of products on it to weigh it down, because you want those curls to pop. So that's what I'm using on my curly wigs these days, and I absolutely love the Dove Instant Repair. I wish I had the bottle in here, but I think it's in my bedroom on which Dove product I am using. And I just use the conditioner. So I'm just gonna spray this a little bit so we can get some of those curls to pop back in here, because like I said, I've actually been finger combing it with my hands. And, oh, this product smells so good, you guys. It smells so good. And I'm just going to comb it through so you guys can see how that looks. See how them waves come back in here? Yes, baby. Yes. See that? Y'all see that? Mm-hmm. Put a little bit more. And if you want to define those waves and define them curls, all you really need to do is put a little bit of mousse on there. But not a mousse that's going to dry the hair out, okay? You have to understand, this is raw unprocessed hair. You don't want anything on here that's going to dry the hair. Because then it'll be acting kind of funky, right? Like your own hair. You don't want it to be dried out looking. But I want you guys to see that it's so easy to get the waves to pop back in here with just a little bit of conditioner and water, and then let it set. Don't mess with it. And these curls in this wig were boom, 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 boom. Okay, and I think I took some pictures because I'm posting this on Instagram. But this wig is actually going for $199, and that is a steal. Okay, a lot of times, a lot of these companies, you're not going to get a wig as this thick with this density with unprocessed hair for $199. You're not going to get that, okay? With a lot of these companies, even with the regular virgin hair companies, you're not going to get that. Not at this length. And not raw unprocessed hair on top of that. So, with that being said, I've pretty much explained it. If you want more details about this wig, I will actually leave a link down below in my description. You can click on that if you are interested. If you're interested, like I said, there's only one of these. That's it. There's only one of these. So don't wait. It is ready to ship. So that's the good thing about this. It is ready to go out the door to someone special, of course. So with that being said, I also wanted to mention that there is that 3-bundle giveaway that's going on. I will also leave a link to that below, but I did post that in my last video about the 3-bundle giveaway. So you also will have a chance to enter. If you have not entered yet, I'm going to leave that link below. Go ahead and enter the 3-bundle giveaway, okay? You can choose 3 bundles of hair, any texture of hair, okay? 3 bundles of hair, any texture. And all you need to do is fill out the details. You just need to put your first name, last name, and email address, because the winner will be announced on June 22nd. I believe at 6 o'clock p.m. So you want to definitely stay tuned for that as well. And for those who enter this giveaway and you don't win, or you're not that lucky winner who's going to win the 3 bundles, there will be a super special exclusive offer to those, and only to those, who enter the giveaway. Now, you don't want to miss out on that exclusive offer. I'm telling you, it's not going to be to the public. It's only going to be for you all who actually entered the giveaway. Because we all want to win, right? We all want to win. But also stay locked into ilovewigs.com, because they're going to be doing all types of giveaways, especially like all summer long. So you don't know what type of giveaways they're going to be doing, but just stay locked. Sign up for their newsletter. Sign up to receive their emails, because you don't want to miss the type of giveaways they'll be giving. And like I said before, look at that, y'all. Look. Look at that. Woohoo! Look at that, baby. Look at that. You want to just enter. I love this hair. I mean, I just love it. It does not tangle at all. It is so thick. But let me put this on for you all really quick, okay? So, my hair is not flat, of course. So, don't mind if it looks a little bulky at the top. My hair is not flat. I got 4 plaits in my head. And, this is how the hair looks. This is the closure. You can, like, mold it back. Do what you do. Do how you want to style it whatsoever. And that's the parting. Now, that's not a permanent part, okay? This part can be free stuff. You want your part over here a little bit, you can just move it over there a little bit, and it'll be just fine. But this is the hair itself on me. And this fits a small to medium or average size head, I would say. Just average size head. With just 2 combs in the back. See that and that. And it will blend in very well. You know, once you cut that off, y'all, and this is glueless too. Once you cut that off, just add a couple of elastic bands right here if you want to hold that down real good. And you are good to go. So this is how the wig looks on me. Like I said before, this is the Jessica. And it is going for $199. $199. And this wig is full. It's full. I don't know if you guys can see that in the back. Whew. I am actually 5'8". So, you see, comes down here on me, just past the boobage area. But don't miss out. $199. You can't beat that for an unprocessed Indian wavy curly. So once this starts to wave, dry up, you'll see more of the curls by just spraying it with that conditioner. You can straighten the hair. It straightens very well. It also holds a curl very well. So you're not going to get a wig like this for $199. And that's just I Love Wigs doing this one-time thing for unprocessed hair. Also, you want to sign up and stay locked into their exclusive offers, because they're going to be offering stuff on new wigs they have coming down the line. Also, wig services at ilovewigs.com start off at $75. So if you are looking to get a wig made, maybe you want a wig made or a custom wig made, starting off at $75 just to make the wig. However, that is using ilovewigs.com hair, okay? You have to use their hair to get that price of $75 with a closure. And I think with a frontal, it is like, what is it, $99? With a frontal wig, I believe, using their hair and getting a wig made with their hair. But you got to pay for the hair. That's just the wig service. The wig service or the custom wig service is just to get the wig made. That's the price to just get the wig made. Now, sorry, you guys. Let me clarify that. That does not include the hair for $75. You still got to purchase the hair. Now, if you want to send in your own hair to get made and get a wig made by them, then, you know, that price, those prices is out there as well under custom wig service. This wig itself will be on ilovewigs.com website under pre-made wigs, okay? Pre-made wigs. So anything that's custom, handmade by I Love Wigs will be under pre-made wigs. So you want to check that out. And then, of course, they have other wigs on there as well. But I love this. It feels so soft, so soft. So with that being said, you guys, that's all I have for today. Stay locked into my next video, and I will see you all later. Stay safe and God bless.